Hi friends, first of all, I have two surprises, my friend, for all Kisho inu holder. The first surprise is you will better understand, my friend, from thumbnail because I will tell you, my friends, the big event, the big explosion is coming soon in the 1st November. So therefore, you will understand. And the second surprise is the price pumping. You can see, my friend, this time the price is totally increasing now. So I think, my friend, my prediction is 100% going positive in this video because experts says, my friends, to win a prize will dumps down. So after that, they will take a very huge pump, and exactly, my friend, 100% this is 200% right because this time, my friend, you can see here the Kishu inu price from last 24 hour 87.04% fund pumps up, my friend. But if we check out, my friend, the last 1 month chart, so I'm going to show you something very different, my friend, in this time. As you can see, my friend, from last 1 month 1600, my friend, you can see they will get a profit 1674.04% in this all month, my friend. But urgently, just in only, my friend, in the last points at the end of this month, they will take a very huge jump because when you can see here, especially from October 5, they will normally moving upward, but after that they will starting, my friends, something very short pumps and short dump. So therefore, my friends, sometimes they will also take a very huge pump. That's mean to this all month, my friends, the Kishu inu condition is very good and very surprising, and every week, my friend, for you, my friend. So this time the Kishu inu condition is something very good, my friend, because especially in last 24 hour 87%, my friend, this is very huge profit. And I think the short-term investor are also stopping selling. So therefore, when a holder or stop selling, then remember the price for more and more pumping up. And my friend, the big event is coming soon, my friends. So the event is that, my friends, so the CEO of Kisho inu will starting collaboration. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time, if they will starting collaboration with Amazon, I'm 100% sure, my friends, Kisho inu will make you a millionaire now. And this coin, my friends, absolutely, I hope if they will, my friends, convert into coin, I hope, my friends, they will make you a millionaire now. So this time you can see, my friend, the Kisho inu price will be increasing. So therefore, you can see 0.809 USD dollar, and the current price is also same, my friend. So that's mean to there is not big difference in the prices. And the Kisho inu price is, we check out, my friend, from last just and only check out, my friend, from last 1 month, my brother. So the last 1 month, you can see here also that now you can see here just and only this huge pump. Absolutely, after this point, you can see here they will make you minor. Absolutely, you can see here this huge pump. This is temporary. This is not a temporary, my friends. Remember, this is not a temporary. Kishu inu will make a one permanent point, and definitely they will never fail us down from this point. Otherwise, if we check out, my friend, from last month, so the last month, my friends, Kishu inu will take a very huge pump, but sometime the price of Kishu inu will come into again zero. So therefore, at this time, I am 100% sure Kishu inu price will never come down to zero because they will make a one permanent point. So thanks for watching Kishu inu coin holders. Kindly like video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope in upcoming time the Kishu inu price will more and more increase and give you a very good profit. So see you next time. Kindly like video, and please, if you want my friends to subscribe our YouTube channel, then 100% you will earn a lot of money from crypto. Allah Hafiz, take care.